Welcome to the future of beauty, where one bold trend is redefining eye makeup as we know it. In a world where self-expression is celebrated and boundaries are constantly being pushed, makeup has become more than just a routine. It's a statement. And right now, there's one look that's capturing the imagination of artists, influencers, and everyday beauty lovers alike. Introducing the reverse cat eye, a daring twist on a timeless classic that's turning heads everywhere. In 2025, this look has exploded from social media feeds to high-fashion runways, captivating everyone with its edgy modern twist. What started as a viral beauty hack has quickly become a global phenomenon, inspiring countless tutorials, challenges, and creative spins across platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Makeup artists are embracing the reverse cat eye for its versatility, using it to create everything from subtle, smoky effects to bold, graphic statements. Unlike fleeting fads that come and go, the reverse cat eye signals a real shift in how we approach makeup, moving away from rigid, old-school liner and embracing expressive, artful imperfection. It's about breaking the rules, letting your creativity shine, and making your eyes the true focal point of your look. The reverse cat eye isn't just a trend, it's a movement toward individuality and fearless self-expression. The magic of this look? It flips the classic cat eye on its head, focusing all the drama and intensity on the lower lash line. By drawing attention downward and outward, the reverse cat eye creates a mysterious, elongated effect that instantly elevates any makeup style. Whether you opt for a smudged, smoky finish or a crisp, defined line, this technique adds depth and intrigue to your gaze. It's both rebellious and refined, channeling the raw energy of 90s grunge with a polished, contemporary vibe. The reverse cat eye is perfect for those who want to stand out, blending nostalgia with innovation. It's a look that works for every occasion, whether you're heading to a concert, a night out, or just want to add a little edge to your everyday style. Forget everything you thought you knew about the classic feline flick. This new style is taking center stage and rewriting the rules of eye makeup. The reverse cat eye is bold, unexpected, and endlessly customizable, making it the go-to look for anyone ready to experiment and make a statement. Ahead, we'll break down what makes the reverse cat eye so popular, how to master it step by step, and why it's the must-try look of the year. Get ready to unleash your creativity and discover a new way to express yourself, because the reverse cat eye is here to stay, and it's changing the face of beauty forever. The reverse cat eye is a game changer. It inverts the classic winged liner by shifting all the drama to the lower lash line. Instead of a sharp flick on top, you apply liner along the lower waterline and lash line, extending it outward and upward for a bold wing from below. This creates a sultry, lifted effect that frames the eyes in a fresh, modern way. By keeping the upper lid bare or neutral, the look feels intentional and cool, never heavy. The result? Eyes appear larger, more defined, and effortlessly chic. Whether you want a sharp, graphic edge or a smudged, smoky vibe, the reverse cat eye adapts to your style. It's a flexible, innovative twist on a classic, proof that sometimes flipping the script is all it takes. For years, the classic cat eye was the ultimate symbol of chic, sleek, sharp, and always on point. It was the go-to look for anyone wanting to channel a bit of old Hollywood glamour or add a touch of drama to their everyday style. But as we step into 2025, the beauty world is turning things upside down, literally. The reverse cat eye is now stealing the spotlight, flipping the script on what we thought eye makeup could be. Instead of focusing on the upper lash line, this trend draws all the attention downward, creating a bold, unexpected twist that feels fresh and rebellious. Gen Z and trendsetters everywhere are embracing this new look, ditching the pressure for perfect lines and symmetry. Instead, they're celebrating makeup that's expressive, personal, and even a little bit messy. It's about breaking the rules and letting your creativity shine, no matter your skill level. The reverse cat eye is all about attitude, not precision. Imagine a party girl grunge vibe, but with a modern, wearable edge. It's smudgy, bold, and unapologetically cool, perfect for nights out, festivals, or just making a statement on a regular day. One of the best things about this trend? It's incredibly easy to wear. Unlike the classic wing, which could be tricky to master and often felt exclusive to certain eye shapes, the reverse cat eye is forgiving and adaptable. Whether your eyes are round, almond, hooded, or monolid, this look works for everyone. This shift is part of a bigger movement in beauty, one that's all about inclusivity, adaptability, and keeping it real. Makeup is no longer about fitting into a narrow standard. It's about finding what makes you feel confident and expressing your unique style, no matter who you are. By focusing on the lower lash line, the reverse cat eye opens up the eyes in a whole new way. It makes them look bigger, more defined, and instantly more striking. It's a simple switch that delivers maximum impact, transforming your entire look with just a few strokes. Forget about struggling for perfect symmetry or worrying that your wings will disappear by midday. The reverse cat eye is all about embracing imperfection and having fun with your makeup. It's a look that invites everyone to play, experiment, and find their own version of bold. Ultimately, the reverse cat eye is a celebration of individuality and effortless style. It's about confidence, creativity, and not being afraid to stand out from the crowd. Whether you go subtle or dramatic, it's your look, your rules. So say goodbye to the old and hello to the bold. The reverse cat eye is here to stay, and it's rewriting the rules of beauty, one eye at a time. Ready to try the reverse cat eye? This bold, modern twist on the classic cat eye is taking the beauty world by storm, and it's easier to master than you might think. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this look is all about confidence and creativity. Here's how to nail it in a few easy steps, so you can rock a look that's both edgy and effortlessly chic. Grab your favorite eyeliner and let's get started. First, prep your canvas. Start with a clean upper lid, either bare or with a sweep of neutral shadow to even out your skin tone. This helps your liner glide on smoothly and last longer. Next, take a creamy kohl or gel liner in black or deep brown. Gently apply it along your lower waterline and lash line, starting from the inner corner and working your way out. Don't worry about being too precise at this stage. Blending comes later. Build up the intensity as you move outward, layering the liner to make the color rich and bold. The key is to keep the pigment strong, especially toward the outer edge, for that dramatic effect. At the outer corner, extend the liner up and out toward your temple to create that signature wing. This step is what gives the reverse cat eye its iconic lifted look. Don't be afraid to go a little bolder here. Adjust the angle of your wing to suit your eye shape and the vibe you want. For a dramatic editorial look, keep the wing sharp and defined. If you're after something more relaxed or grungy, gently smudge the edges for a softer, smokier finish. Use a smudging brush or even your fingertip to blend the liner along the lower lash line if you want a diffused effect. This step is perfect for making the look more wearable for daytime or softening any harsh lines. If you need to clean up any mistakes or sharpen your wing, dip a cotton swab in makeup remover or use a bit of concealer to perfect the edges. Precision makes all the difference. Finish your eyes by applying mascara to both your upper and lower lashes. This balances the bold liner below and opens up your eyes, making them look bigger and more awake. For an extra pop, add a touch of highlighter or a shimmery shadow to the inner corner of your eyes. This brightens your gaze and adds a modern, luminous touch to the look. And there you have it, an eye-catching, modern, and totally wearable reverse cat eye. It's a look that works for any occasion, from a night out to a casual day with friends. The reverse cat eye is yours to own, so have fun experimenting with colors, shapes, and finishes. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself, so wear it with confidence and let your eyes do the talking. The reverse cat eye isn't just about black liner. 2025 is all about color and customization. Blue eyes pop with coppers, bronzes, or warm browns. Green and hazel eyes shine with burgundy, plum, or chestnut. Brown eyes? Try cobalt blue, emerald, or shimmering gold for a striking effect. Experimenting with color personalizes the look and makes your eyes the star. Don't be afraid to mix it up. This trend is about making it your own. The right shade can take your reverse cat eye from trendy to unforgettable. Let your eye color guide your liner choice and watch the compliments roll in. The reverse cat eye was born on the world's top runways, crafted by visionary artists for spring-summer 2025. Daniel Sahlstrom's overextended liner at Alexander McQueen set the tone, sharp, punk, and modern. At Dior, Peter Phillips softened the look with smudged, lived-in liner for effortless cool. These runway moments proved the trend's versatility, from graphic and bold to soft and wearable. Influential artists like Warren Dowdall praised its universal appeal, making it a must-try for all. The look quickly spread from high fashion to everyday beauty routines, proof that runway trends can become real-life staples. The reverse cat eye is the centerpiece of 2025's makeup mood. Bold eyes, fresh skin, and soft lips. This year, it's all about creative eye looks. Metallics, colored mascara, and graphic liners, paired with dewy, natural skin. Heavy foundations are out. Lightweight, glowing skin is in. Lips stay soft and natural with balms or stains, letting the eyes take the spotlight. The result? A balanced, modern look that feels fresh, not overdone. The reverse cat eye fits perfectly, dramatic yet wearable. It's the star with skin and lips as the perfect supporting cast. 2025 is all about letting your eyes do the talking. The reverse cat eye is universally flattering, no matter your eye shape. For hooded eyes, it's a game changer. The lower lash focus means no more hidden or smudged wings. Draw the wing just below your upper lid's fold for a sharp, visible lift. Thicken the outer third of the lower line for extra definition and elongation. Round eyes? Extend the wing out for an almond effect. Almond eyes? Play with the angle for drama. Monolids shine with a sharp, graphic line. Adapt the technique to your features. The reverse cat eye is about celebrating your unique eyes. You're ready to make the reverse cat eye your own. Whether you go bold and graphic or soft and smudged, this look is about self-expression and fun. Don't stress about perfection. Artful imperfection is part of the charm. Try new colors, experiment with shapes, and let your confidence shine. Makeup is for play, not hiding. This trend proves a simple switch can transform your whole vibe. Flip your routine, embrace the new, and discover the power of the reverse cat eye. It's more than a trend, it's a celebration of individuality and creativity. Now step out and let your eyes do the talking.